Next up, MobileCoin. Chris.
Hello, I'm Chris Beck. I'm a principal engineer at MobileCoin. I'm here to tell you today about MobileCoin Fog. So MobileCoin's mission is to beat digital cash. We want to be fast and secure. We're designed to be integrated with messaging apps like Signal. Our goal is that transactions should fully complete in 5 seconds on mobile. So there are many private cryptocurrency projects out there, but right now MobileCoin is unique in that we support a fully private experience on mobile devices without trusted third parties, and Fog is our key to this. So let me sort of explain the fundamental problem. So to my knowledge, all private cryptocurrencies are based on Bitcoin's UTXO model, and there are good reasons for this. But this creates a huge problem on mobile, which is how do you find your TXOs if you're on a mobile device? The basic problem is that you cannot sync the entire blockchain on mobile, pretty much for any chain technology, because it's bandwidth prohibitive and it's also CPU prohibitive if you have to match private keys against transactions. So most projects approach it from the point of view of trying to do a thin wallet. So you give away your view key to a mobile app service, which then scans the blockchain and filters things on your behalf. But then the problem is that you're trusting the provider for your privacy. They can see which transactions are yours, they can see when you get paid, they can see all kinds of stuff. And so this is a non-starter for an app like Signal. And MobileCoin Fog is our solution to this. So Fog is an oblivious data pipeline, which privately indexes the MobileCoin blockchain and then makes it privately searchable for the users so that they can recover their balances quickly and easily. The selling points here are that when you use Fog to sync your balance, you only download your own TXOs. You don't download everybody else's TXOs, and this makes it very fast and bandwidth friendly. But because we've designed the system to be oblivious, we have no idea when you sync your balance which TXOs you're download, or even if you downloaded any TXOs. So this preserves your privacy when you use the system. Importantly, your private keys never leave your phone. You never have to send them to a remote service. We have a really important property called break-in recovery for SGX. This is basically a self-healing property. Our threat model is the same as Signal contact discovery, so we don't assume that SGX is always secure. We assume that SGX may get broken at some point, and if it does, we have to patch the servers and redeploy, and then users don't have to rotate their keys and privacy is restored. Finally, the service scales gracefully to millions of users. It's horizontally scalable. We've served millions of RPC requests in a day with 2 nodes. These are oblivious search requests over the entire MobileCoin ledger. So the key technical component that makes this possible is an implementation of Oblivious RAM inside of SGX enclaves. So this is really interesting because there are not a lot of examples of private information retrieval being used in real life in the real world, because a lot of them are not performant enough to be used in practice like this. But we spent years working on this and optimizing this. To some extent, we co-designed the blockchain with the Oblivious RAM implementation so that they would work together. We actually load the entire blockchain into Oblivious RAM. And this is the first time that Oblivious RAM has been used in a production web service. If you'd like to find more information about this, we've been in production in Signal since February 2021 for the Signal Payments Beta. You can find our white paper at mobilecoin.com for Fog. You can also see our code at the GitHub repository. We have a Trail of Bits audit report, and please look for our detailed technical report coming soon. And if you'd like to chat with me more about this, I'm going to be at the conference the rest of the day.
Thank you.